15 ways a teenager can make money. There are many ways a teenager can devote their time to money-making activities. There are income-generating websites that are available for home-based earners, especially for teenagers who want to work from home. Everybody has a computer or phone with an internet connection, so they're all set to do some money-making tricks from the comfort of their home. Furthermore, there are other simple jobs or errands where young people can earn money. Join us and watch the video until the end to learn how straightforward these jobs can be. Welcome to Luxology, where the secrets of becoming the future billionaire and living a luxurious life are revealed. Now, let's get into the 15 ways a teenager can earn some money from the comfort of their homes or around town. Number 1. Take online surveys. Earning money through online surveys will give you some cash to buy a few of your favourite items. Most online survey websites require that users are 18 years or older. However, some sites accept 13-year-olds. For example, Swagbucks is a popular survey site that pays to take surveys. It is legitimate and safe to use, and membership is completely free. LivePoints is another site that allows taking surveys to earn points. Branded surveys, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, OnePoll and many more are survey sites that pay real cash or gifts for doing survey tasks. Number 2. Babysit. This is a familiar job for everyone. Having younger siblings and babysitting for them at home is training for a part-time job. If you love kids, there's a chance you probably had to watch before. Probably during a family party or outing, and if you enjoy doing this, you can earn some money. Babysitters can earn up to $10 an hour, and a day's job could earn you around $50, depending on how long the parents are out. The babysitting referral system works this way. If one family thinks you did a good job babysitting with their kids, they will tell another family or friends who might need your services. From word of mouth, your services are advertised for free. Number 3. Buy and sell. Buying low-priced items and selling them at higher prices refers to the old practice of doing simple business. An example is buying old and interesting items from antique stores and posting them up online. An enthusiastic buyer may buy a $5 item for $50 or more. Buying thrift clothes and selling them at a markup price is also a better option. Buying several items from the same store will get discounted prices, which earn more profit. If you find items on sale in stores, go on Amazon and see what an item is selling for. You can then post it on eBay or create an Amazon account and sell it there. Number 4. Walk dogs. Most people are animal lovers and they have dogs for pets. Walking dogs can be exciting, and it's another way to make money from something you already love doing. Dogs need to be walked every day, but most dog owners may not have the time to do it. They have to go to work or take care of their families or visit friends, so paying someone else to do the dog walking for them is totally worth it. To do this, you can simply ask your neighbours if they would like any help with walking their dogs. You may also put up an advertisement for your dog walking service around town. Word of mouth and contacting neighbours will be your best bet. Number 5. Get a job at the amusement park. Teenagers are preferably hired for jobs at amusement parks around the world. This is because they believe teenagers can handle their target markets who are also teenagers. These young teens that have a pleasing personality and good communication skills and enjoy talking to people are fit for this job. A summer job at the amusement park would be fun, aside from the money earned. Number 6. Make YouTube videos. Many young teens are earning millions of dollars being YouTubers. YouTube videos might just go viral, and that's how earning dollars from YouTube starts. Consistently uploading interesting videos attracts viewers, and they become subscribers to slowly grow your channel. Reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours will get the channel monetized, meaning YouTube will pay you when ads are aired on your channel. Number 7. Teach English online. In 2019, the British Council reported that there are over 1.5 billion people around the world learning to speak English. This information suggests there's probably someone who would pay to teach them English. Becoming an English tutor is not as difficult as you might think. There are websites you can join to apply for this English job. For example, takelessons.com is a website where a person with a particular skill can teach a student. Everyone has a skill that they can teach, whatever that might be. It could be teaching someone to learn a new language, teach how to play the guitar, how to paint on canvas, how to do simple accounting, and so much more. Anything that someone else might not know can be taught by people on takelessons.com and start making money. Number 8. Become a freelancer at Upwork or Fiverr. Upwork.com is a website for freelancers who make an active income, work, get paid, and then that's the end of the job. Businesses and individuals post services on Upwork that they would like to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, website development, accounting, mobile development, coding, and more. There are at least 2,500 career jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork which are applicable for long-term projects. A typical Upwork freelancer has a salary of $23 per hour, or can range from $17 to $65 per hour. Just like Upwork.com, Fiverr can help to earn extra money working as a freelancer for short-term projects. It's a simple and easy site to start making money. It is a freelance website where you can outsource anything. The different ways to make money on Fiverr are proofreading and editing, designing book covers, logo designing, virtual assistant, article writing, etc. For both websites, prepare a good personal bio, your profile to help you get more job offers from potential clients. Working on these freelancing platforms, Fiverr and Upwork can earn up to $100 every month if you've got unique skills and talent. Number 9. Run Errands. Cycling or driving around the town or neighbourhood doing errands could earn you a few bucks. You can help people do simple errands for them. At the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, people were locked down inside their homes. People desperately needed someone to run errands for them. Some young, healthy people embarked on running such errands at a reasonable fee. Home delivery services became popular, and it was easy contacting them through mobile apps. Number 10. Become a live streamer. If you're good at playing video games, then be a live streamer and make some money. While streaming, the gaming video content has an audience of over 944 million people. There are millions of people willing to watch you play your favourite game. A prodigy of these games and live streaming on Twitch can earn money and turn you into a Twitch star. Number 11. Promote products on TikTok. TikTok is the site where viewers can watch and discover millions of personalised short videos. It is unbelievable how the millennials could earn money by making dance videos online, but TikTok has taken this step to a higher level. You can become popular for doing anything you're good at. Playing the guitar like a piano, eating sour foods challenge, acting and dancing with your dog or cat are just some examples of spontaneous and real short videos that entertain various types of audiences. When a TikTok maker has numerous followers, products of small businesses can be promoted and the TikTok maker gets paid for advertising their products. Number 12. Become a virtual assistant. If you like to work as a virtual assistant, register a profile on Fiverr to find potential employers. Most teens are already familiar with working as virtual assistants. It requires simple skills, including handling emails, scheduling meetings, editing photos, managing social media pages, and taking phone calls. If this kind of work sounds interesting, make sure the profile you've submitted with Fiverr contains a clear description of your job description. Also, take a friendly picture of your face, smile, and upload a cheerful, photogenic image. Number 13. Sell crafty items on Etsy. If you're creative with your hands, you can paint an image from memory, carve a wooden figure, or make digital art and many other artworks. If you're up to doing this, then sell your wares on Etsy. It is a global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy and collect unique items. This is another cool way to make some money with Etsy. Number 14. Start a podcast. If you enjoy talking but can't imagine yourself in front of a camera, then you could just start a podcast. The best way to make money as a podcaster is to contact brands and sponsors, run their advertisements for promotion and get paid for a price. A podcast could also be an opportunity to talk about Etsy, Upwork, Fiverr, TikTok or Twitch accounts and help other teenagers to do the same. It's not just about earning money, it would also be helping other people become more productive. Number 15. Proofread and edit documents. If you're good with English grammar, proofreading and editing documents for errors is the job for you. If you're also good with sentence structure and use of punctuation, then it's not surprising to you that many people still have issues with basic English rules. This is where you can help college students, bloggers and even business owners edit documents. It could be a blog post, a business letter, a business proposal or a school project. If you're good at writing academic journals, you could charge a minimum of $10 per 500 words. There you are, young teens. 15 ways to earn money. If you have a passion for doing anything creative and profitable, then you have no worries about earning extra money. There's one quote: choose a job that you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Please like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated with our new videos. See you next time.